Assalamu alaikum everyone, and another update for Pepe today, the brand new update today. And today's gonna be probably the last day, or tomorrow's the last day for you to join the private as well. And as far as the private goes, we already took one trade for Jasmine, and we are getting into a little bit of profit for Jasmine. So if you want to be a part of it, do make sure, because there's a video still for you that is made private on the private channel, talking about 3 different coins that can actually pump 100% to the upside and give you a 2x. So if you're buying with $500, basically you get $1,000 back in the next pretty much 6 months. So anything you buy, hopefully they get to double. Now the thing is, SLP here, sorry, not SLP, but Pepe has one more place to go, in my opinion. And by the way, this is my Twitter account, AdamCoins_. So if you want to message me, do that very, very quickly. And everything is breaking out. Everything is pretty much breaking out. Jasmine has broken out. SLP broke out. Bitcoin broke out. Chainlink broke out. Now, is it time for Pepe to break above? Because if you look at the RSI of Pepe, Pepe has broken above the RSI as well, but it hasn't really broken above the resistance. Can we see Pepe really breaking above and go up? I personally think this may happen based on how the whole market is looking right now. So this is one resistance for Pepe that needs to be broken. Previously we saw Pepe break above here. I talked about a double bottom, and from this double bottom you went to the upside. And now one more thing is, I talked about the short trap as well. So if I go back into the 4-hour time frame here, you've already come down, and you can see this wicks here. The stop losses are being taken away, and I told you about this stop loss here. You pretty much came down near it, and you can still come down once again and take this stop loss, and then finally come to the upside and take another stop loss for the shorters who are trying to put their stop loss right over there. Now for me personally, I'm trying to see if Pepe is going to break above. So let's see if you can break above that resistance, go down, touch the retest, and actually pump even higher. So what you may expect is that Bitcoin is going to consolidate a little bit between 35 and 34,000, maybe even touch 36,000, and maybe finally drop down to 32, but consolidate. The word here is consolidate, which means for the next 2 weeks you may consolidate. And as a matter of fact, November is a good month in crypto. I talked about this. September is going to be bad if you've been watching this channel. And by the way, I want to get to 100,000, so do subscribe if you are new to this channel. You may never see me again. So I want to get to $100,000. I've been doing my part for many days now. You can do this, right? You can just press a subscribe. It's pretty simple. So basically, November is pretty good in the market. So if we try to analyze 1 month time frame here, Pepe pretty much is making a morning star. Okay, that is very, very good. Pepe is making a morning star. And as far as September went, we actually saw Pepe doing a red candle here, and then now in October it's green. In August you actually had the red candle, and this combined is a monthly morning star. Holy moly, you may actually see November pushing even higher, okay, which is a good news. And it is good. Okay, it is what it is. I'm just telling you what I see. When it was bad, but it's good. It's now good. So break above here, and you may see Pepe coming up to 20,000, and you're sitting at 11,000 right now. So that's almost like a 2x, which is nearly an 80% move to the upside. So enjoy if it does break to the upside. And that's it for this update on Pepe. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.